The Neolithic Age in India. The Neolithic Age, which means New Stone Age, was the last and third part of the Stone Age. In India, it spanned from around 7000 BC to 1000 BC. The Neolithic Age is mainly characterized by the development of settled agriculture and the use of tools and weapons made of polished stones. Agriculture of Neolithic Age in India. The people of the Neolithic Age cultivated ragi, horse gram, cotton, rice, wheat, and barley, and hence were termed as food producers. Tools of Neolithic Age in India. The people used microlithic blades in addition to tools made of polished stones. They used stone hoes and digging sticks for digging the ground. The ring stones of 1 to 1/2 kilograms of weight were fixed at the ends of these digging sticks. They also used tools and weapons made of bone, found in Burzahom, Kashmir, and Chirand, Bihar. Weapons of Neolithic Age in India. The people primarily used axes as weapons. The northwestern part of the Neolithic settlement used rectangular axes having curved cutting edges. The southern part used axes with oval sides and pointed butt, while polished stone axes with rectangular butt and shouldered hoes were used in the northeastern part. Housing of Neolithic Age in India. The people of the Neolithic Age lived in rectangular or circular houses which were made of mud and reed. The people of Mehergarh lived in mud-brick houses, while pit dwelling is reported from Burzahom, the Neolithic site found in Kashmir. Pottery of Neolithic Age in India. With the advent of agriculture, people were required to store their food grains as well as to do cooking, arrange for drinking water, and eat the finished product. That's why pottery first appeared in the Neolithic Age. The pottery of the period was classified under grey ware, black burnished ware, and matte pressed ware. Architecture of Neolithic Age in India. The Neolithic Age is significant for its megalithic architecture. Technology. In the initial stage of the Neolithic Age, handmade pottery was made, but later on the footwheels were used to make pots. Community life. Neolithic people had common rights over property. They led a settled life. Considerable progress was made in Neolithic Age in terms of technology. The people developed the practices of cultivation, domestication of animals, building houses, pottery, weaving, and writing. This revolutionized man's life and paved the way for the beginning of civilization.